DJT Stock Analysis and DJT Stock Predictions for tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Trump media stock is a buy or not for me. So let's talk about Monday and onward. I mean, the reality is that I'm seeing this like a little decrease in price here, which is totally fine. Like, I'm not that sad about it, you know, and whatnot. The reality is, like, you have to zoom out and look at the macro. There's obviously some catalysts and you need to be kind of the fundamentals and stuff like that. But if I'm looking today's like swing traders, I'm not even looking that carefully into the fundamentals. I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands on courses, mentors, and it's giving me like thousands of quick predictions. Like, I'm the only guy that's documented 35,000 videos on my YouTube channel. With DJT specifically, the only thing that I'm looking forward to is more alongside bias. And the reality is, like, what this means is that unless I see my price actually starting to shift towards the upside and this actually showing me some bullish power, then I'm just not gonna buy. I mean, it's ultimately that simple. If no long side potential, then I'm just not gonna long. Simple. So let me know what is your opinion on Trump media stock. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next